Pro landscapers live by a simple formula. More uptime equals more money. EGO's brand new line of commercial outdoor power equipment was designed from the ground up to deliver the power, performance, and durability to keep crews working day in and day out. EGO Commercial is setting the new standard by ensuring that all the components of their tools are pro-grade, from powerful brushless motors to using high-strength materials and sturdy electronics. All EGO Commercial tools are IPX5 rated, meaning that they can even be used in the rain. The tools are also designed with UV-stabilized materials so they can handle the effects of the sun. EGO offers a wide selection of tools that include the 800 CFM commercial backpack blower that delivers power equivalent to a 60 cc gas blower. There's the string trimmer and the bike handle brush cutter that both have durable, lightweight carbon fiber shafts and the power of their 35 cc gas-powered counterparts. For hedges, EGO offers both short and long fixed pole hedge trimmers, as well as an adjustable 11-position articulating hedge trimmer. All of the trimmers have a 1.1-inch cut and are constructed with carbon fiber shafts and rails for durability. Their power output is equivalent to a 25 cc gas motor. For edging, EGO makes both a straight and curved model edger. They are equipped with an 8-inch steel blade and have the power to match a 25 cc gas-powered engine. For trimming limbs, EGO has the industry's first telescopic pole saw with an LED line cut indicator. With its carbon fiber shaft, this pole saw is 40% lighter than the competition and can reach up to 17 feet with the optional extension pole. For mowing, EGO has a 22-inch cast aluminum deck mower that delivers 14 foot-pounds of torque, making it more powerful than any gas walk-behind mower up to 35 inches. To ensure your tools are ready to go each day, EGO has a scalable charging system that can charge up to 70 batteries overnight on a single 15-amp circuit. Best of all EGO commercial tools and batteries come with a 2-year warranty. To learn more about EGO's commercial line of battery-powered tools and accessories, stop into your local Ewing branch. You can also learn more by visiting us online at ewingoutdoorsupply.com.